Today we're going to make some easy Zote Soap Detergent. And this is a 14.1 ounce of pink Zote soap. Take a grater and you grate up your Zote soap. And so then we'll go to the next step here. I'm going to pour in 2 gallons of hot water, and LP is going to use a mixer to show you how, to whip it up quicker.
That should be stirred.
Okay, so that's about 1.5 minutes, guys, around that. Okay, I added 2 more gallons of hot water, and I'm going to add the 1 cup of borax now. And LP, what are you using?
I'm using a 1/2-inch variable speed drill with a paint stirrer.
Okay, go for it. Oh no!
You're supposed to have it down in the bucket before you turn the trigger.
Okay, go for it. Oh no!
You're supposed to have it down in the bucket before you turn the trigger.
Okay.
This floor is in dire need of some soap on it anyhow.
There you go. All is good.
That's right.
Some people say. I added 1 more gallon of hot water, and LP's going to whip it up. Okay, now there's 5 gallons of detergent. I'm going to get the lid on there, and I'm going to leave it sit overnight, and then tomorrow I'm going to put it in gallon jugs. But what you have to do is, this is a concentrated form of the Zote soap, so it needs to be diluted down. So this 5 gallon bucket actually makes 10 gallons. So save all your vinegar bottles. White vinegar bottles are really good to use for the Zote Soap Detergent. Okay guys, I want you to see how thick this Zote soap gets. So LP has got to take and stir it some more here, and then we're going to put it in gallon jugs, and I'll show you the next step. These are the containers that I use for the Zote soap. I just save the vinegar, the white vinegar containers, and they're a heavier weight than like a milk jug, and plus we don't drink milk anymore. We don't drink cow's milk. So it's got 1 cup of the borax, but if you want to have an extra boost and you want to use this super washing soda, you can also add that. All I have in it right now is just the borax and the Zote soap and water. So I just wanted to also say, LP got me a nice big funnel. I don't know really what this was supposed to be for. It had like a mesh thing on the end. He cut that out. That's what we're going to use once he goes and gets the drill.
Let's see what it looks like now.
It's looking good now, I think.
Well,
okay, that's mixed up pretty good, guys. So you just want to, if you use one of these paint stirrers, you just want to make sure that the drill is going really slow, or you're going to splash it out onto the floor if you build up any speed. And also, if you take and move this part up and down in the soap to get it evenly stirred. Okay, LP's going to fill this, and he's got a nice big funnel to put it in these gallon jugs. I think it's a 2-quart funnel, because if you use a smaller funnel, forget about it, guys. Don't use a smaller funnel. You want one big enough where this thick, you want one big enough where this, big enough hole that this thick soup, Zote Soap soup will go through. So 2 quarts. No, there has to be 2 quarts.
I put 2 in there.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'll take your word for it. See how that goes down quick? Voila. Need this. I think you're putting actually a little bit more than 2 quarts because you're going over that brim, and it needs to be to the bottom of the brim for a quart. There you go. Wait a minute, that's not quite a quart.
Well, that's all you're going to get.
Well,
Can't get any further.
Well, yeah, you hold that over this thing over here, and then pour it and finish filling that one. To the bottom rim, that's good enough. Close enough.
This thing's slippery.
Okay, so we don't have enough. And here's the reason why we didn't. LP was getting some actually above this area here. So I suspect that might be the reason, because we should have gotten 10 gallons altogether. So then we filled up with the hot water, the rest of it with hot water, and shook it well, and so it's ready to go. And you got to have shaking room, so that's why they're like that. So guys, that's it.